file, and we'll start with the script declaration at the top. Next, we will create the variables that we will use in the script. Directory will hold the directory that we are going to use ls in, and choice will be the choice that the user enters at the menu. We will create our first function. The function is created by entering a name, followed by opening and closing parentheses, and then an opening bracket followed by code that you want the function to run. This is generally code that you will use over and over again, such as in a menu. In this particular function, we are simply displaying 4 items that we want in our menu. We're clearing the screen so we don't get confused with everything else that has been typed there before. Next, we will create our next function that we'll use within the script. And this is a function that simply runs an ls on a directory that is specified by the directory variable. Directory variable is changed when the user selects an item from the menu. Next, we get into the meat and bones of the program. This is basically our program running. We're gonna run a do while loop as long as the user doesn't choose to exit. As you recall from the menu items, the exit is item number 4. When choice is, as long as the choice is not equal to 4, the loop will continue to loop. As you can see, the very first thing that it does in the while loop is calls that menu list, and then it waits for the user to enter a choice 1, 2, 3, or 4. If the choice is 1, changes the directory variable to squiggly line / which is the designation in Linux for the home directory. Next item is root. If choice 2 is selected, the directory is changed to / which is the root directory in Linux. And then the variable or the function run ls is run. When choice 3 is selected, the directory is changed to / bin, and the run ls function is run. As you can see, that code is being used over and over and over again within the if statements. If that function wasn't there, we would have to rewrite the code over and over and over again. Same with the while loop. You would just have to run that code over and over and over again, and you would only be able to run it so many times. And basically that's it. There's a kill